Hi everyone and welcome back to Teaching Bee. So today we are going to be working with skip counts by 5's, 10's, and 100's. So we should know at this point this is going to be more of a review. So to be able to skip by 5's, 10's, and 100's. So by 5's, if we look over here on the side, if we want to start by 5, we have 5, 10, 15, 20. And what's the pattern here? So we know we're going up by 5. So we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we went up 5 more. Then from 10 to 15, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We went up 5 more. 15 to 20, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. We went up 5 more. So skip counting by 5's is we're jumping 5 numbers at a time all the way up. So with our 5's, something else to remember is always going to end in a 5 or a 0. So if you notice, we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Every single one of them ends in a 5 or a 0. So going by 10's, counting by 10's is everything will end in 0 when counting by 10's. And you're going to count and add up 10 more. So 10 to 20. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So we went up 10 to get from 10 to 20. Then we're going to go up 10 more. So 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So our next number would be 30. So that's counting by 10. The last one is counting by 100's. So if we want to think about some way to remember how to count by 100's, it's counting by 10's but with adding an extra 0. So we have 10, 20. For 100's, we have 100, 200. So they both end in 0. Just the 100's have another 0 to it. And then we go 300, 400, and etc. All right, so let's do a couple of examples. We're going to go forwards and backwards and see where we can go as far as skip counting. All right, so we have count forward. So we're going to count up by 10's from 20. So we're going to start with number 20. We're going to count forward by 10's. So 20, the next number would be 30, and the next number would be 40, next number would be 50. So we're counting by 10's. So we had our 10 blocks, 2, 3, 4. So counting by 10, so we have 10 in this block, 10 in this block. So we went from 20, added 10 more, that brings us to 30, added 10 more, which brings us to 40, and so forth. Okay? So next example is count backwards. So we're going to count down by 10's from 70. So we start with 70, and we're going to take away a 10 block. So we're going to take away 10. What does that leave us? So that's going to leave us 7 minus 1. So 7 minus 1, 6. So that's going to leave us with 60. So we went backwards from 70 and we went down 10 numbers. So that's going to bring us down to 60. And then from 60, we want to go down 10 numbers again, so 59, 58, 57, 56, 55, 54, 53, 52, 51, 50. So going down 10 more is going to give us 50. And then going down 10 more is going to give us 40. Okay? Let's do another example. I'm going to bring all of this up. So we want to count forward. So we're going to count up by 5's. from 10. So we have 10. We want to count up 5 more. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 gives us 5 more. So 10, 15, 15 plus 5 more gives us what? 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So 15, 10, 15, 20. Plus 5 more, so counting up 5 more gives us 25. Okay? Then we want to count backwards, so we're going to count down by 5's from 20. So we're starting with 20. So we had 20, and we want to count down 5 to give us our next number. So 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15. So down 5 is going to give us 15. Down 5 more is going to give us 10. Down 5 more is going to give us 5. Okay, let's do just a couple more. So we want to do our hundreds. So we want to count forward, count up by hundreds from 200. So we have 200 plus 200 plus 100 more gives us what? So our ones place is a 0. Our tens place is a 0. And then our hundreds place, 2 plus 1 is 3. So up 100 is going to give us 300. Up another 100, so 2, 3, 400. 2, 3, 4. What comes after 4? 5. 500. Okay? And then our last one we're going to do is we want to count backwards. We want to count down by hundreds from 700. So if we had 700, we want to go down by 100. So 700 minus 100. So we have our ones place. Sorry, I didn't realize that one got cut off. I apologize. Which would give us 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 0 in our tens place is 0. And 7 minus 1 in our hundreds place is 6. So 700 down to 100 gives us 600. Down backwards 100 more gives us 500. 7, 6, 5, 4. 400 would be our next number. Alrighty. Alright. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please hit the subscribe and the like. Otherwise, I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thank you.